inside the brand new Aston Martin Vantage S, where everything's just turned up that little bit more. More power, better looks, a bit lighter, just the way I like it. So today's drive is a very short one. Currently I'm in the south of France with Aston Martin, but just for around 5 hours. I've been given this afternoon slot to go try this for the first time. Just enjoy a nice first drive with the new Vantage S on some twisty south of France back roads, which, as I've mentioned in other videos, just go on for hours and hours and hours. Really incredible roads down here. I think the road I'm on now, because I always get asked, I think the name of this area is Col de Vence. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I saw a sign saying that. It's actually only around 30 minutes from Monaco, where I'm staying at the moment. Power has been turned up to 680 from the previous, I think, 635, I think. Not that we really needed it. It was already above 600, but there we go, we have more power. The colour of this is really cool. Red is a really difficult colour. Mostly, I don't like red, in most cases. But this is really, really cool. It's this very metallic-y, almost candy-like red. It's called Supernova Red, which makes it sound even more cool. It's got the carbon package all around the car, the side skirts, the diffuser, the splitter, and the roof, and also I think the front where the grille is. It's got this offset white, which just looks fantastic. It's actually called Club Sport White. Inside it's this beige cognac. I'm not sure actually which one they've called it, but it is either a beige or a cognac. I would say more cognac. It's a bit darker. Really nice contrast to the red. Carbon ceramic brakes, full carbon inside. It's got everything. So looks wise, the front grille and the splitter have been updated. It looks so good. I just love these small changes on what was already such a fantastic looking car. Some of you might remember my previous video, I think around a year ago, I was also on the launch of the new Aston Martin Vantage, and now to have this one where everything's just been turned up a bit, can't complain at all, to be honest. Trying to see if there's any sound test, very important. I've got it in Sport Plus, have I? Yes, Sport Plus. Next would be track. Let's do Sport Plus. I wonder if there's any crackles on the downshift. Let's see. Yes, it has the crackles. That was quite a loud one. Not bad for a 2026 car. It's quick. Yeah, sounds good. I feel like Aston Martin might have turned down the sound a bit coming through the speakers. That was a complaint of mine before on the Aston Martin Vantage, the non-S model. It was very overpowering inside, and I feel like it might have been turned down a bit. Also on the Vanquish, it was far too present for me, the sound coming through the speakers. This one also has the optional carbon bucket seats. I don't know if they call them bucket seats or just sport seats, but it's the carbon seats. They look seriously cool. Comfort wise, I've only been sat in this car half an hour. As I said, it's a short test drive today, but comfort wise, for the first half an hour, they feel good, and looks wise, they are really stunning. Another update is these vents on the bonnet on the S model, and they have these carbon fiber lips as well. Looks super nice, makes it look a bit more aggressive, but at the same time retaining that Aston Martin classiness. 800 newton meters of torque. It is a torque monster. What a beautiful day down here in the south of France. The road is, I would say, very quiet. Right. Oh, okay. I hadn't put my foot flat down yet. I'm so impressed with how it's doing these corners. It really does feel like a proper sports car. 23 degrees Celsius. I'm in an Aston Martin in the south of France on a mountain pass. Life's pretty good. Oh, look at this road. Just, oh, what an epic. Okay, now it's coming to life. I'm genuinely having fun, which is not easily said in cars from 2025 onwards, to be honest. They did lose their touch a bit. This is genuine fun. The way the suspension is dealing with these corners, I feel like the car is really dancing underneath me. Wow, that was fun. That was a super cool section of road, and that's probably one of my favourite sections I've done in a long time.